Most recently, the newest update on the flash flooding threat or the excessive rainfall outlook for tomorrow even is a 4 out of 4 in some of those same counties to the southwest of the area that we cover. Now, we cover these 15 counties here in central Texas, and the flash flooding threat here locally does drop a little bit for us tomorrow compared to tonight. You can see that level 3 out of 4 gets trimmed back to basically just include parts of Gillespie County, but still a 2 out of 4 threat means that flash flooding remains possible during the day tomorrow, and you still have to take it seriously because any flash flooding could be life-threatening. The flash flooding threat drops even more on Thursday. No risk of that for now from the Metro East. A 1 out of 4 flash flooding threat for the Eastern Hill Country, 2 out of 4 for the Western Hill Country. Then outside of the KXAN viewing area, that's up to a 3 out of 4. This is for Thursday. So potentially several days in a row of this flash flooding threat ongoing. And even on Thursday in the Hill Country, you still have to be aware. The higher the number, by the way, the more likely that you have flash flooding impacting where you are if you're in the shaded areas. As far as what's happening outside now from the Fairmont-Austin camera looking south, we've just got clouds and drizzle. No significantly heavy rain. No thunderstorms of significance out there now. But the flood watch continues until Thursday evening for all of the Metro, Milam County, and the Hill Country, where we anticipate the highest risk for flash flooding. As of right now, we've got no flood warnings and no flash flood warnings here within the 15 counties that KXAN's First Warning Weather Team covers. Still some locally heavy rain building back in, though, in Lampasas and northern San Saba County. And northern San Saba County with the heaviest of the rain out there now. And we do anticipate that rain coverage will start to grow again later this evening and overnight. Thankfully, they're getting a little break from the heavier rain due west of San Antonio, where some reports of more than 10 inches of rain have already fallen, although some of the higher, more scientific rain gauges there reporting about 6 or 7 in spots. Either way, very significant. So taking you into the future now, into the evening, we think that there will be a bit of an increase in some of the downpours and storms bubbling up, but still coverage rather limited. However, we get past midnight and the coverage starts to grow, especially in the Hill Country, west, south, and southwest of Austin. And then the coverage grows even more as we head through Wednesday morning. And then it starts to back off, at least the intensity does, as we get into Wednesday afternoon and evening. So tomorrow morning may be the wettest part of the day tomorrow, just like today. This morning was the wettest part of the day, but that doesn't mean that we're out of the woods once we get into the afternoon. Still more downpours and storms possible tomorrow night into Thursday morning, although the focus on Thursday will largely be west of I-35. So our forecast tonight: rain and storms gradually ramping up, flash flooding possible. Make sure you've got those notifications turned up so that you can be alerted in the middle of the night. 70% rain chances Wednesday, 60% Thursday, drops to 20% on Friday. How much additional rain on top of what you've already had? Most areas get 1 to 3 inches, but there could be some isolated spots where we get 5 inches or so. However, the area of greatest concern for 2 to 6 inches, southern Mason, Gillespie, Blanco, and now portions of Mason County, 2 to 6 inches plus there through Thursday. Rain chances way lower Friday, and then drier weather, much drier weather here for the weekend. Early clouds to sun Saturday, 94 on Sunday, 95 Monday, 96 Tuesday. Don't forget to have that KXAN weather app handy throughout this event.